It's not that bad. This side's pretty bad.
Dude, this thing's
Yeah, that's mold.
Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a full detail on my fiance's old 2003 Honda Accord. As you can tell, it needs some TLC, so we're going to take a look at it. It is an 03. She's owned this thing for 9 years, so it's seen some days on it. It's pretty rough on the outside. We can only do so much, but on the inside, it's really rough, and I'm hoping I can get it looking a lot better. You can see a lot of the staining of the seats. It's got a lot of dog hair. We have a husky, actually. You can see last night I actually bought Chemical Guys Fabric Clean, and you can see I just did a little trial patch to see how dirty the seats were, and you can see just it's day and night. It's nuts. Just a lot of staining. So we're gonna see how much we can get out. For the outside, I'll be using my electric pressure washer. Gets the job done, and I'll be using this foam cannon as well as Chemical Guys Citrus Wash and Gloss. To get in all these tight little crevices, you can see I gotta work under the seat a lot. There's just stains everywhere. I think I'm just gonna take the seat out completely. Just a couple quick bolts will give me a lot better access to the back and as well as the front. So you can see just how gross and grimy this really is. That's really nasty. And a lot of this hair that's caught up in all the corners. Alright, so same for this side. This side is even grosser. So yeah, you can see just the benefit to taking the seats out. So I'll get that all cleaned up. And also, when you go to work on the seats, you can have them out and it's a lot easier to access. Look at them. Look at how dirty that is. So those will look good. Look at the inside. Look in there.
Gummy bears.
Isn't that gross?
Where's money?
Get it?
No, it's molded. It's not that bad.
Dude, look at this. That's so gross.
Yeah, but it's just hair buildup.
Dude,
Like, it's gross, but like, it's not that bad. This side's pretty bad.
dude, this thing's
Yeah,
a
that's
disaster.
mold.
Say hello to the camera.
Someone was biting their fingernails and throwing their fingernail clippings on my carpet. That's disgusting.
Alright, just got done cleaning the seats, carpets, and the inside. And for the sake of time, I didn't put in me cleaning all the plastics, but I think it turned out great. Got all the hair up, a lot of the grime out. The carpets were the hot spot. I could only do so much again. 9 years of grime just sitting there. You can't get the carpets looking perfect. This side, I'm not sure how well you can see it. But I think it turned out alright. Alright everyone, so we just finished washing the car, detailing the inside. I think it turned out pretty good for what it is. Take a look inside. I think it turned out great, honestly. Seats look good, carpets look good. Everything looks really good. You can tell it looks pretty good in here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I'll leave all the products that I used in the link in the description below. Thank you.